So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go back to our dashboard and we're going to go to Appearance, Themes. Okay, so you're going to see that this shows you the theme that is currently installed, and what we're going to do though is going to go through and add a new one. We're going to add our own. So we're going to go to Add New. So what you're going to do is you're going to type in here, you're going to type in Sydney. Now in my honest opinion, this is probably the single best free theme available. It's just amazing how much you can actually do with a free theme, especially once you're using the live page builder that I'm going to be showing you guys how to use. So what we're going to just simply do is we just hit install, and then we're going to hit activate, and then you're going to have it's saying that this theme recommends the following plugins: Elementor, and which is our live page builder, and Sydney Toolbox custom post, So we're just going to hit begin installing plugins. Okay, and then we're going to go tick both these and hit install and apply. Okay, so then if we go down to plugins, it'll take us to our plugins that we've just installed, and you're just going to simply hit activate of the Elementor. Awesome, and then you can hit activate for this one too. Fantastic. Okay, so now let's go back and have a look at our site, see what it looks like now. Awesome. So as you can see, we're really starting, it's looking a lot nicer now. So now what we're going to go through and do is actually start customizing out this website.